What's up, guys? We got one more day until the next One Funnel Away challenge. Just wanted to put this offer out in front of you. Once you come to this page, you can play this video here. Kind of explains this whole process, why we're going through the affiliate bootcamp. Because for the same price, you're going to unlock all of the affiliate bootcamp interviews, plus the One Funnel Away challenge, and all these bonuses. Whereas if you just went through onefunnelaway.com, you're going to miss out on the affiliate bootcamp. So that's why we're doing it this way. You can check out these bonuses here. This is Doug Boughton's bonus stack. A lot of these are super valuable, and you're getting this exact same funnel, which you can use to go out and promote and sign people up for the next One Funnel Away challenge. Each person you sign up is going to be $100, so you can make your 100 back right away. And he tells you exactly how to import this funnel. All you're going to have to do to get this set up and running is change out this button's affiliate link. If you have any problems, I can help you do that. So you're going to get this funnel, all these other bonuses inside of Doug's bonus area. And I also went ahead and set up my own bonus course here. So you can log into mine as well. I'm going to send you both links. And you're also going to get access to the free funnel mastery course, Whitelabel rights. So you can give people all these bonuses and also send them to the free funnel mastery course. And what that's going to do is be able to build your own list. Know which email I use. Okay, so once you log in here, you're going to get all of these funnel templates. So you'll get the original OFA funnel. This is the one Doug used to, I think he made over 50,000 using this template. We also have this one, kind of a different version with Russell's video here, explaining the challenge. You can customize this to add whatever bonuses you want. You're getting Whitelabel rights to all of my bonuses and all of Doug's bonuses, and you can add your own. You're also going to get all these business funnels. You got the realtor, agency, fitness. You can sell that to local gyms, contractor, dentist, and a few restaurant options. You're going to get my Instagram funnel. Instagram gives you one link to use in your profile. So you can use a funnel like this to link to different offers or have them follow you, different social media platforms. So you'll get that. Traffic Secrets funnel. This is the book that's coming out. A lot of you probably know .com Secrets, Expert Secrets. This will be the third one in the trilogy. You can start promoting this now. Get people interested that want to know when the book comes out. And then when it launches, you can have a list already built and send them your link to sign up for Traffic Secrets. And this exact funnel that I'm using, where you opt in, Doug's bonuses, you can add my bonuses to this stack. The free funnel mastery course. This is a white label version. So all these videos are ClickFunnels training that teach people the basics and some advanced features. And you can offer this to people for free, have them sign up, or give it away. We got the Expert Secrets Masterclass in here. This is a 3-part video series from Russell Brunson. Kind of tells you the nitty-gritty details behind the book. If you'd rather watch it in a video format. You're going to get my business card template that I used in Canva. You can just swap out your own logos and branding. And they ship fast. I think 3 days is what it took. Really good quality. I'm going to post a video here too, showing you the end result of my business cards. You're going to get my net worth tracker. You can use that to start growing your wealth over time. I've used this thing to grow my net worth to over $230,000 in the last 5 years. And I started with a negative net worth. So I put a lot of resources in here. My favorite podcasts, websites, and blogs for personal finance, some other neat tools. I'm going to give you the income and expense tracker you can use to keep track of your business income and expenses. Good for tax time to have this. And also you're going to want to keep your receipts. And I'll throw a walkthrough video of what I do. And if you want to do it yourself, some nice free apps you can use. Also, I highly recommend getting an active campaign if you're starting with the startup plan. For $9 a month, you're going to be able to build out automations. And I'm going to give you all my email swipes to deliver your bonuses and stuff like that. You can kind of see here, this is one of the emails I sent out this morning. I actually scheduled it to send last night. And kind of promoting the same thing that I'm doing here to my list of over 400 people. So you'll get these email swipes. And if you sign up with my link through ActiveCampaign, I'll help you get that set up as well. Kind of show you some of the advanced features, automations you can do. It's got nice reporting. You can come here and see your reports, how many people opened your emails, clicked links, stuff like that, your open rate, click-through rate. This is where you build out automations, where you can do sequences of different emails based on different actions people are taking. You can send a one-time campaign here. This is where your contacts are. So let's check out a report here. So this is the automation. You can make these pretty complex or simple, depending on what you want to. So if we come to reports, you can see my different campaigns. Kind of tells you how many people have opened and clicked a link in each automation. You come down here. This was my first automation I ever built out. It's still one of my best ones, and it's no longer being run. But you can see here in this automation, 260 out of 375 people opened at least one email. And I had 126 out of the 375 click at least one link. So it gives you really good insights. And based on those actions, you can also add tags, which will help you send emails to those people automatically in the future. So if you want to get all these bonuses, all you have to do is go to this page here, which I dropped in the comments. Oh, I might have made a typo actually. But I'll drop the link below. Watch this video. It's going to explain everything. You're going to click this button. And that's going to unlock the Affiliate Bootcamp interviews for lifetime access. And you're also going to get lifetime access to the One Funnel Away training. So you'll enter your email here to register. You'll unlock all these interviews. Normally it's a free affiliate bootcamp, but it goes away. So it's an email course dripped out over 4 days. But once you register for the One Funnel Away challenge, on the next page, you're going to get unlimited access to all these interviews. And you'll also unlock an additional interview from each of the experts. You're going to get this digital ebook as well. So you're going to want to click this button here and enter your information below. So you can either, looks like, get the digital version if you don't want the physical workbook for $100, or you can get the 30-day book, your MP3 player, and your One Funnel Away workbook, and all that good stuff shipped to you for another $19.95. If you already went through the challenge, I would actually just do this one. If you don't need the book again. But if you haven't got the book, go ahead and grab that one. Or if you don't think you're going to read the book, you can just go ahead and do digital as well. But that's going to unlock the Affiliate Bootcamp and the One Funnel Away challenge. And that's going to start on Monday. And you're going to get all these bonuses. So you'll get Doug's bonuses. I'm going to send you all his master classes, as well as all my funnels, which you can give away for free as well. Free funnel mastery course, Whitelabel rights. So this button is going to import this replica membership site for the free funnel mastery course right into your account. So you're going to have a course kind of like this one, but it's more on ClickFunnels training that you can give to people. Like I said, One Funnel Away, starting Monday. It's a 30-day course. It's going to be daily training from Russell Brunson. You'll have lifetime access to the videos. See if I can pull up the membership area here. I'll show you what it looks like. So this is closing tomorrow at 9 p.m. Nope, I don't want to join. I want to log in. So once you take the challenge, after the 30 days, you're going to get access to this alumni area. and you'll have lifetime access to this. So it's going to have all the worksheets, all of Russell's training, and Steven's coaching calls here. The only thing you lose is access to the Facebook group. When you're actually going through the challenge, you'll be able to click in here and go to the Facebook group. It'll have like at least 6,000 other people in there probably going through the challenge at the same time. And I've met a lot of the people that I started to follow in that group. The main person I'm learning from is Spencer Meekum. So he is probably the person you want to follow as well. He's heavy into automation, YouTube. His strategy got me a YouTube sale last night. I made $100 from a video I posted like a month ago. So highly recommend checking out his plan. And join Automation Nation. That's his Facebook group. Super valuable. Then once you finish the challenge, if you upload a review, you can post a link here, which I did, and receive this t-shirt, which I have. But the highest size they had was XL, and it just wasn't fitting. So it's in my closet. And then once you make 1,000 in a funnel, you can get your 1 Comma Club award here. And I am super close to hitting that. Let's see if I can pull my account up. I think I need $7. So like I said, like 3 a.m. this morning, I made a sale off YouTube. More affiliate tools. You can see my account's almost maxed out on funnels, but you can always archive funnels or upgrade if you really need to. So you can see I got 992.80. I need 720 to hit that 1 Comma Club, and I've had 700 paid out. This is 3 months of using ClickFunnels. So I've paid $97 a month, more than covered my costs. I've started to build my email list, basically learned everything for free and made some money. And it's just going to keep growing. So highly recommend taking the 1 Funnel Away challenge. You can make your 100 back just selling 1 copy. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I think I got one of the best bonus stacks out there. And if you do take the challenge and you have any questions while you're going through it, you can shoot me a message. I'll be happy to help you out. Other than that, I'm going to start packing because we're closing on a house next week and we still have a lot of stuff to pack. So I'm going to hop off here, guys. I'll drop the link below. This one's not right that I posted. And I'll check you guys later.